What's going on, guys? I'm going to be adding a light kit to a ceiling fan. So the first thing you want to do is shut the power off, which it is, and next we'll take out these 3 screws, one here, one there, and there's one on the other side, and we'll drop this down here. So let me get that off and we'll be right back. Okay, once you have that dropped down, then all you want to do is go ahead and unplug the harness. Okay, we got the piece down. So now what you want to do is pop out this cap and these 2 wires right here, the blue and the white. That's going to be the wires for your light kit. So we'll go ahead and get this little cap out of here. Okay, got our light kit ready. Now I just want to go ahead and put your wires up through the middle. And we'll go ahead and thread this on. And then there's a little nut you can drop down on, thread it on to lock it on top. And keep it in place where you want it. That way you got room right here for the chain for the fan. Okay, now we want to tie our wires together. We want to take the black from the light kit to the blue wire. And take the white wire from the light kit to the white wire. Just tuck those down in the inside here. Now we'll get ready to plug it back in. Alright, once you have it all ready to go, just grab your harness, pick it up here, go ahead and plug it back in. And once you have that on, go ahead and twist this up, line it up with all 3 of these screws, and we'll tighten it down. Alright, now we're ready to put the globe on, and you got 2 holes here. The middle one obviously goes over the chain for the light, and this one here you want to get it lined up with the chain for the fan. So we'll just put it up there like this. And we'll get the seal and the nut started here on the bottom. Just get it started a little bit there. Enough room that I can wiggle this around, because then I'm going to put the chain for the fan back on. I'm going to feed it back up through the hole and hook it onto the other coupling there. Alright, now we got the globe mounted here. Just started this a little bit, enough to get the fan chain up there and hook it on. So now we'll drop this chain down through the middle, and we'll put the light up, tighten this back up all the way. Line up the hole for this with that chain, make sure it pulls easy, just like that. And we'll put the last piece on. And then Got your pull chain right here. Alright, now we're ready to try it out. There's our light. Off, on, pull chain for the fan. Alright, that's installing a light kit for a ceiling fan. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.